What truly defines power in the animal kingdom? Is it brute force alone?
From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, Earth teems with incredible strength.
We explore the titans, the predators, and the masters of their domain.
Join us on a journey to uncover Earth's most powerful animals.
Our journey begins with the largest land animal, the African elephant. Weighing up to 6 tons, the African elephant commands respect. Its sheer mass and strength are unparalleled in terrestrial life. But power isn't just about size. It's also about intelligence and social bonds.
African elephants exhibit complex emotions, memory, and communication.
An African elephant can fell a tree with ease. Its power is incredible.
This raw force makes the African elephant a true giant.
From land giants, we dive into the aquatic realm for another contender.
The saltwater crocodile, an ancient predator, boasts the strongest bite.
Its jaws can exert nearly 3,700 pounds per square inch of pressure.
That's enough to crush bone, tear flesh, and hold prey firmly.
The saltwater crocodile is a master of ambush, waiting patiently. Then, with explosive speed, it delivers a devastating attack. Its powerful tail propels the saltwater crocodile through water with incredible force,
making the saltwater crocodile an apex predator in its aquatic domain.
The saltwater crocodile's power is unmatched in these murky waters.
On land, few animals command the presence of the king of the jungle.
The lion embodies raw, predatory power and social dominance. Lions hunt cooperatively, using their strength and strategy.
Each lioness contributing to bringing down larger prey. The male lion's roar can be heard for miles, asserting its territory. This collective power secures their place at the top of the food chain.
A lion's strength isn't just physical, but also in its complex social dynamics.
The lion, a symbol of raw power and undeniable authority. Venturing to North America, we encounter another formidable power.
The grizzly bear, a solitary giant, possesses incredible strength.
Its powerful paws and claws are tools for digging, hunting, and defense.
During salmon season, the grizzly bear proves its hunting prowess. A single swipe can stun or kill large prey instantly.
The grizzly bear's dense muscle and thick hide protect it.
This solitary hunter is a testament to raw, individual power.
Few animals dare challenge the dominance of a full-grown grizzly bear.
Its senses are sharp, aiding its survival in rugged terrains.
The grizzly bear's power is a force of nature.
We've seen immense strength, bone-crushing bites, and social hunting prowess. But our quest for Earth's most powerful animals is far from over. But power isn't just about size. It's about how an animal uses its unique adaptations to dominate its environment.
Take the African elephant, a creature of staggering strength and intelligence. Its trunk, a muscular marvel, can lift hundreds of kilograms and even tear down trees.
These gentle giants, despite their immense power, live in complex social structures.
Their sheer scale alone commands respect, a true force of nature on 4 legs.
From raw power, we turn to explosive speed, embodied by the magnificent cheetah.
No land animal can match the cheetah's acceleration, reaching incredible speeds in seconds. Every muscle, every bone is designed for this pursuit, a perfect blend of power and grace. But even these incredible hunters are vulnerable. Protecting their young is a constant battle for survival.
Now, let's explore a different kind of power, the devastating bite force of the saltwater crocodile.
The apex predator of its domain, the saltwater crocodile is a master of ambush.
Its bite force is unparalleled, capable of crushing bone with astonishing ease.
Once it grips its prey, there's no escape, showcasing a primal, terrifying power.
From the reptilian, we move to the marine, to the ocean's most intelligent and formidable predator, the orca.
Often called killer whales, these highly social animals hunt with incredible precision and teamwork.
Their power isn't just physical, it's also intellectual, using sophisticated hunting strategies. From creating waves to coordinate attacks, their intelligence makes them truly unstoppable.
In the frozen Arctic, resilience is power. Here, the polar bear reigns supreme.
Facing extreme cold and dwindling ice, the polar bear's adaptability is its greatest asset.
A powerful hunter, it uses its incredible sense of smell and strength to survive in this harsh environment. Despite the challenges, these incredible animals continue to endure, a testament to their strength.
Earth's most powerful animals truly embody the raw, untamed spirit of nature itself.
From the smallest venomous creature to the largest whale, each possesses a unique, formidable power.
And it's our privilege to witness and understand these incredible forces of the wild.
The balance of power continues, a timeless dance of survival.